J Money, aka J Tessie, with the Option Snipers crew. And guys, I'm super excited to show you guys exactly how I crushed it and made about 3K on JD today, guys. So if you're part of the Option Snipers community, one of our bots called out JD. It actually called it out 2 days ago, and we're watching it for a potential reversal. Guys, these are my supply zones and my demand zones. My demand zone is here, sorry, and my supply zone is here on JD. But something very interesting, guys, using multi-time frame analysis, you can get your perfect entry and exit into these stocks, okay? Now, if you look at the 5-day, 5-minute chart, and which is where I was looking at, JD went up. Let me zoom in a little bit more. JD went up, okay? At the supply zone here, it actually rejected, okay, guys? It rejected. And this supply zone is from a 20-day, 1-hour chart. I will show you where I drew this from early, okay? It rejected this supply zone, and it came down, okay, guys? In the morning, it ripped. It came down, guys, and I was looking at it to bounce right off the demand zone and also the 9-day moving average. This yellow dashed line is my 9-day moving average. And as soon as it rejected, I actually got in right here on this candle. Okay, I got about 50 contracts. I rode it up, and then I got out. Okay, right at the end of the supply zone, I got out of this stock at this point. Okay, if we look at it at the 1-day, 1-minute chart, and this is why I look at both time frames. Okay, it went up, it rejected the high of day, it came all the way down, and this is where I was looking for a reversal, guys. I was looking at a reversal again. Right off the demand zone. It literally rejected right off the demand zone, and I got in on this candle right here, guys. I wrote it up to here. I saw a red candle, then I got out, okay? I got out because, again, this is the supply zone right here, and again, 50 contracts, made about 3K on it. This was an easy way to make quick and easy money, okay? The strategy I use for this, guys, is a supply and demand zone, and also the 9-day EMA on the 5-day moving average. Now, let me show you where I got this supply and demand zone from, okay? If we go to the 20-day, 1-hour chart, okay, as you guys see, this is where I drew it, okay? JD actually had come down. It tried to retest higher, but it rejected, okay? So this right here was a rejecting zone. So I drew the box from here, and I just dragged it all the way out till today. And I knew today that if this stock ever reached this level, there's going to be a huge rejection and a possibility for a scalp. Again, I drew the supply zone here because, again, it was an old resistance zone. There's another resistance zone here, but once it breaks past it, it becomes the next demand zone, okay? So after I drew these on a larger time frame, during the day, I was watching it. I was watching what JD would do. And just like I predicted, it went up, rejected off the supply zone. It came down to the 9-day moving average. And when a stock comes onto the 9-day moving average on the 5-day, 5-minute and doesn't break it, this shows a continuation move. So what I did, I got in heavy right over here when I started seeing it go green. And then when it reached the top of the demand zone again, I got out, okay? Because 2 things could have happened. JD could have actually broke high of day, 84.67, and kept ripping, okay? That was my hope. But again, not necessary. I caught the reversal. Made about 60% on the weekly stock, on the weekly options right here in this trade right here, and I got out on this red candle and locked in profits, guys. That's how to play the supply and demand zone perfectly and lock in profits for the long term. Now I'm going to show you one more example of this. Something else I was looking at this morning was Tesla. Okay, guys. This afternoon was Tesla, okay? Again, I have my demand and supply zones already drawn, okay? And what happened this morning, Tesla went up, retested, it came down, rejected off the supply zone, came all the way down, right in the demand zone, and I bought calls right about here, okay? I saw the reversal started happening right around the demand zone, so that let me know that this is probably gonna go bullish for a while, and I got a long-term contract just in case of March Tesla that I'm actually swinging because, again, it's respecting this supply zone. Guys, if you want to know how to draw supply and demand zones like this, I just showed you super simple. Join Option Snipers, of course. Like, comment, share this video. And also make sure to get the Option Snipers Training Academy and the Max Profit Accelerator, guys. This is going to change the game for you guys, exactly how to draw these supporting demand zones and how to use them in your daily trading. Guys, JD killed it for us today. We caught it right off the demand zone. But more importantly, guys, it respected the 9-day moving average EMA on the 5-minute, and this was our entry to the upside, okay? All right, guys, hope you have a good day. Make sure you ask me if you have any questions in the community or comment on the YouTube video. Like and share with your friends. J Money out.